This tutorial addresses using Excel 2007 to complete graphical analysis of data. So I have my data set open here. I also have a summary table that we're actually going to work with this time. This summary data just identifies the fuel types, and they're from right here: premium, regular, and diesel. Those are our three categories. And then counts of how many vehicles have each of those. There's 10 vehicles up here, and there are 3 that use premium gas, 6 that use regular fuel, and 1 that uses diesel. So if I'm going to take a little bit different analysis of that to show how those values are spread out across the whole, then a great way to do that is a pie chart. I start by identifying or highlighting my categories and my counts. I go up to the top in the menu and choose Insert and Pie, and I come up with quite a few choices of different styles of pie charts to use. I'm just going to use the basic style this time up here on the left, and it immediately, Excel will go in and take my 3 categories and spread them out. Now it assumes that those 3 categories will always add up to 100%. So 30%, if I go over top of this space, 30% are premium fuel, 10% of my vehicles use diesel fuel, and 60% use regular fuel, and that's just by going over top of the shape. Now I'm going to click on the shape just to get the whole circle. If you can see, all the handles have now appeared around the edges, and now I'm going to right click on that and I'm going to go to the Add Data Labels option in the menu, and that is again a left click menu, and it added right in the counts. 1 of the vehicles has diesel, uses diesel, 3 use premium, and again 6 use regular. But rather than just the counts, what I'd really like to see is the percentage. So I clicked on the number. There we go. Now they all come active, and I'm going to right click again and choose Format Data Labels. Now I'm going to set that to be value as well as percentage. Let's go with the whole thing, and I'll also get it to, well, let's go with value percentage for right now. And then it shows us 1,10%. We could have done either value or both values. The other option, right now we use a legend to show which categories go with which colors, but if I right click on that again and do Format Data Labels, I can also choose to list the category name as well, and that way it tells me regular fuel 6 vehicles or 60%, premium fuel 3 vehicles 30%. So it gives all the information there. In that case, I should probably delete the legend because it's redundant of what I already have. But for this, let's just put the percentages in. So Format Data Labels, and I'm going to remove the category name, I'm going to remove the value, just leave the percentage there. Now the other thing I'd like to do is to increase the size of my 30% so I can actually read it, and so I can just go back to my home menu and adjust the font size. Oops, I don't want to go so big that it's out of the space. There we go. Another feature that can be quite useful is if you click on just a single slice of the pie, basically by double clicking, there we go, you can extract, oh, I just got the values to go, there we go. That should do it. There we go, we can extract a slice. So you have to click carefully on just a single slice until just the handles of that slice come alive, and then you can slide that one out. Another item we're always going to want to do on any type of graphic is add the titles into it. So there are some pre-formed chart layouts that I can use, and if I just click on that, oops, don't like that one, that wasn't so good. I want to stay with something that gives me a legend. There we go, legend and a title. I like that. It puts a default in here of chart title, and then I can put in the real title, which would be fuel type, or let's see, vehicle. Let's go vehicle counts by fuel type. Vehicle counts by fuel type. A nice little title. You can see what's going on with that. And now, if my percentages are too large because of the change in the graph size, I can we'll go back up here to home and make those a little smaller so they jump back in. Pretty nice finished product.